In front of me is XIAOMI 13T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access themes. Now select themes at the bottom left corner. Pick one of those right away. Select one of those options at the top or click on the search bar and type in wherever you wish to. In my case, Halloween. Now, after clicking on the best theme, select Download at the bottom. Then, to apply it right away, hit Apply. If you wish to, you can also choose Customize and click on one of those options that you wish to exclude. So, for example, if you wish to stick with your current lock screen wallpaper, click on it over here. Then select Apply. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my device has changed. If you wish to go back to your default one, you need to access exactly the same settings. But this time click on Profile at the bottom right corner. Now just tap on Themes section and choose one of your default ones, Classic or Limitless. Lastly, tap on Apply right away or select Customize and do exactly the same as before. So for example, I will leave my lock screen wallpaper. Then hit Apply and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!